Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Pujiati. I am 39 years old. I come from Kendal, Central Java, Indonesia. I am Muslim. I am married. I have three children. My last education, junior high school. My height is 145 cm. My weight is 45 kg. I have experience work in Hong Kong 1 year and in Semarang 3 years. My job is cooking, take care, Akong and children. Cooking, washing, ironing, cleaning house, and go to market. I want go to Singapore because I need more money for my family and my future. Thank you, mom. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.